Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this space where every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. And right now we're doing a series on forgiveness. Something that some of us, me included, might really have a problem with. Right? Sometimes we hold up people in our hearts. I want to stop to think about how God forgive we every day if we hold up for something. Yeah. Anyway, so today now, the passage is from Matthew chapter 18, verse 21 to verse 35. Then Peter comes said to him, say, Lord, how much time if I pardon my brother or sister will do me something? All a 7 times? Jesus said to him, say, no even 7 times, me I go tell you, but will a 77 times. Me I tell you that, cause at this God kingdom come in like. It come in like one king where did want check off how much all his servant them did owe him. When the king did a check off, then bring one man come where owe him how much million. No, cause the servant couldn't pay back. The king ordered them to sell him and sell him wife and picnic too. Plus all what him own. So him could have get back his money. The servant dropped on him knee in front of the king and beg him to take time with me, sir. Give me some time and me will pay back everything. The king feels sorry for him and make him go on. And all what him did owe, the king say now if he pay back nothing again. After him going now, that said servant there, see one next servant, we owe him one little bit of money when you think about how much him did owe the king. The servant grabbed the nether one throat and start choke out in daylight. Him say, give me the money where you owe me. The nether one, we are one servant just like him, drop on him knee and beg him to take time with me. Give me some time and me will pay back all of what me owe you. But he didn't take that. He said no and go fling the nether servant in a prison till him pay him back everything. When other servant like him see what happen, then begs bad and go tell the king everything. So the king called the first servant and said to him, say, you wicked servant you. Me pardon you how much million, cause you beg me. You mean say you couldn't take pity upon somebody where a servant just like you, the same way how me take pity upon you? And the king get vexed and give him to the prison guard them for them torment him till him pay back every red cent when did owe the king. As same so, my Father in heaven, we do uno if uno hold up on a brother or sister them in our heart and no pardon them. A God what this. Thank God.